Welcome to class. I would like to explain pragmatism. Chief exponents of pragmatism: William James, John Dewey, Kilpatrick. Next one, fundamental principles of pragmatism. It does not believe in God. It upholds the power of man as supreme. Fully psychological and humanistic viewpoints. Way of thinking practical in pragmatism. Man has willpower. That is strongly believe in pragmatism. Next one, principles of education in pragmatism. Child is the focal point of all educational activities. Education based on psychology and science. That is the main principle of pragmatism. Child centered and society also. It give much importance to teacher, society, student. Aims of education in pragmatism: creation of new values, social adjustment, and harmonious development. These are most important in aims of education in pragmatism. It gives much importance to only creation of new values and scientific way also. Scientific thinking is most important in education system. Next one, curriculum. Main subjects of pragmatic curriculum for health hygiene, physical culture, history, geography, maths, home science, and agriculture. And next one, methods of teaching. Learning by doing method and learning by experience and project method and heuristic method also. Especially project method was the most important in pragmatism. Next one, teacher. Teacher's role as a friend, philosopher, guide. If you compare with idealism, entire different in pragmatism. Next one, discipline. Here social discipline and limited also. A good example nowadays discipline in schools. Last one, school. School is the laboratory for experiments to be done by children. It is a society in miniature. Nowadays schools are good example to pragmatism. One more point is teacher puts the child in such a position so that he learns to create new values for future. According to Pandit Nehru, he said that classroom is the window of the world. So, creations and new values are introduced by the school. That's why teacher is the builder of nation. Nowadays education system based on pragmatism. That is a good example. Thank you.